Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Samsung phone look like iOS. So this is a really simple thing to do, guys. The first thing we will want to do is head over to our Play Store. So once we head over to Play Store, go to the search bar. And then once we go to the search bar, we can then search for launcher iOS 16. And then as you can see at the top, you've got number 1 and number 2. You can choose whichever one of these you like. I personally like the top one and it's got the most reviews, so it's probably the most reliable. So what we can do is click to install this. It will take obviously a couple of minutes and we'll be back in a second. So now this is installed, I will show you how you can set it up to make your phone look like iOS 16. Click on open, and then what we can do now is click on don't allow or allow, whichever you prefer. And for me now, I will click on Start iOS Launcher. So once we do this, you can then click on Allow. We can now click on Continue. So you can choose a wallpaper, any of the ones from the iOS 16 library there, or you can click on Skip, whichever you prefer. For me, I'll just click and just keep the one that I've got right now. And then we've got this. So what we can do is we can set iOS 16 to be our default instead of Android or One UI, whichever you're using. Click on set default, and then obviously you can go ahead and do the same thing right here. So obviously I will choose iOS launcher. And then as you can see, once that has gone ahead and done, you will be on a screen like this. So click on the little icon in the top left hand corner. And then as you can see, my Samsung now looks like iOS.